Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you in Aldi's Haul, and I'm going to start to my left. The first item is a package of chicken, and I paid $10.87. A 5-pound box of chicken breast, and this is how it looks. I believe it was $12.50. And then we picked up some string extra fine green beans and Prince Edward's Melody. These were under $2 a bag. I also picked up this log of ground beef, and I paid $7 and change. I'm not quite sure how much. I picked up 2 packages of the baby carrots, and I believe these were like 69 cents. I picked up a package of vanilla sandwich cream cookies, and these were about $1.19 or $1.29. I picked up some cinnamon raisin bagels. I picked up this hummus, and it's really tasty. We just like the plain hummus. We don't like it flavored. And I highly recommend it. I liked it. And we picked up the sea salt pita chips, and they're quite tasty. We also picked up iced coffee, garlic salt, this Chris and Pitt's original recipe, and I paid $1.50 for this. And we like to go to Chris and Pitt's and eat dinner there once in a while. We picked up marshmallows in the shape of hearts. I picked up 2 of these, and I believe these were 99 cents. I picked up some brown sugar. I picked up 2 packages of these Granny's Oven strawberry shortbread cookies. These are my husband's favorite. And you shouldn't go to Aldi's when you're hungry, because then you come out with items that you didn't go in there for. But my sister bought this. She picked up this baklava, and she paid $4.99 for that. And then I picked up 2 boxes of mashed potatoes that I'll be serving with the fried chicken over there. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.